The difference between gambling and investing in crypto often comes down to one thing: a framework. While many chase fleeting hype, professional analysts use a structured process to evaluate assets from every angle. That's exactly what we're doing today. We'll be applying a proven four-step analysis to Gala, the powerhouse token behind the Gala Games ecosystem, to forecast its potential price action over the next quarter. By the end of this video, you won't just have a Gala price thesis, you'll have a repeatable strategy to analyze any digital asset with confidence. Let's begin. Step 1. No crypto lives in isolation. It's all about the macro environment. Think of it as the ocean tide that lifts or sinks every boat, including Gala. Right now in September 2025, the global economy is holding steady with projected growth at 3.3% through 2026. In the US, GDP's chugging along at 1.8 to 3.1% for Q3, with recession fears simmering, but experts betting on a rebound next year. Inflation's cooling and the Fed's hinting at rate cuts. That's like rocket fuel for risk assets like crypto, pulling money away from boring bonds and into high-growth plays. Geopolitically, tensions are high. Trade wars and uncertainties could spike volatility, but crypto's emerging as a hedge, kind of like digital gold in tough times. Now, zoom into the sector. Blockchain gaming is exploding. The market's set to balloon from $13 billion in 2024 to over $300 billion by 2030, fueled by AI, cross-platform play, and Web3 ownership models. But funding's dipped to $73 million in Q2 2025, a sign of caution. Yet trends like mobile dominance and NFT integration scream opportunity. Regulations? 2025's a game changer in the US with the Crypto Task Force, and acts like Genius and Clarity, bringing clarity and boosting adoption. For Gala, this means a supportive tide. But will it ride the wave? Let's get specific. Step 2. Time to dissect Gala like a pro. This isn't just any token, it's the fuel for Gala Games, a powerhouse in blockchain gaming where you own your assets via NFTs and play-to-earn mechanics. On-chain metrics? They're the heartbeat. Gala's TVL on its chain is up 23% of $5 million, showing growing ecosystem lock-in. Transaction volume's solid at $104 million daily, and while active addresses aren't screaming record highs, sites like CryptoQuant show steady network health. People are using it for games and trades. Tokenomics are killer. Fixed supply at 46 billion tokens. No endless inflation diluting your holdings. Utility? Massive. Buy NFTs, run nodes, transact in games like Townstar or Mirandus. It's distributed fairly with community and founders vested long-term. Development? Gala's GitHub is buzzing with SDK updates for their Layer 1 chain, signaling committed builders pushing roadmaps forward. Compared to peers, Gala's got a moat in gaming, but is the market pricing it right? Let's check the charts. Step 3. Now we read the tea leaves, or rather the charts. Technical analysis isn't crystal ball stuff. It's spotting patterns in the chaos. Gala's been in a descending channel on the 2-day frame, but accumulation volume's building. A classic setup for a breakout. Key levels. Support holding firm at 177, resistance at 0235. If we smash through, next stops could be 33 and 043. Indicators? RSI's dipped to oversold territory around 30, screaming buy the dip. MACD's hinting at bullish crossover, and the 50-day MA is above the 200-day, but flattening. Volume's up 2.44% in 24 hours, confirming strength. Quant side, Gala correlates tightly with BTC, now at 115K territory. So if Bitcoin pumps, Gala rides along. But watch for head and shoulders bearish vibes if it slips below 17 cents. Could target 0.2. Market's neutral overall, but that volume says something's brewing. Exciting, right? Step 4. Pull it all together for the big prediction. Sentiment's key. Market psychology drives prices. The Crypto Fear and Greed Index is at 57, tipping into greed as of mid-September 2025, signaling optimism, but watch for overheat. On X, opinions are mixed. Bullseye 16 cents in alt season, bears warn of dips to 12, but accumulation vibes are strong. Synthesizing macro stability, gaming growth, solid fundamentals, and technical setups. Here's my thesis for Gala over the next 3 months to December 2025. Bull case. Optimistic 30% chance. Macro rebounds with Fed cuts, gaming sector explodes with AI integrations, and Gala breaks resistance. Price surges to 4 plus cents, fueled by TVL spikes and BTC correlation. What goes right? New game launches and regulatory wins. Bear case, pessimistic 25% chance. Geopolitical flares or recession bites, dragging crypto down. If support breaks, we hit 12 cents. Risks, low funding in gaming and altcoin bleed if BTC dips. Base case, most likely 45% chance. Steady macro, neutral techs, and growing ecosystem push Gala to 25 by year end. A solid 39% upside from current 18 inputs. Invalidation, below 1/15 signals bail. Risks, volatility's always lurking, so size positions smartly. This is data-driven, not vibes. So, what's the final verdict on Gala? Our deep dive analysis, factoring in everything from global economics to on-chain health, points towards a cautiously optimistic future over the next quarter. Our base case, the most probable scenario, targets the 25.5 level by the end of December 2025. This path is supported by steady fundamentals and a constructive market structure. But remember to watch that 1/5 level as a potential invalidation point. While a major market shift could trigger our bull or bear scenarios, the current data supports a path of steady growth. Now I'd love to hear from you. Smash that like button, subscribe for more breakdowns, and drop in the comments. What's your Gala prediction? Which crypto should I tackle next? Disclaimer, this is not financial advice, purely educational. Crypto's volatile. Always do your own research and never invest more than you can lose. Trade safe, and see you in the next one.